Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach Jong Uychiko, and best player of the game, Robert Bolick. Coach Jong, you mentioned that the team is still searching for its identity. Considering how they battled through this game, especially with rain or shine closing in on multiple occasions, and given your tough position this conference, what does this performance reveal about the team's growth and potential as they progress?
Well, at least we know that we can battle, as you said, no? Especially when the games count. We don't lose faith. We don't lose hope. We're always there, even if the chances are very slim. We give ourselves a shot all the time. So if we can translate that consistently in our games and in our practices, then we'll be all right.
Robert, you were not only able to create opportunities para kay Mike, but also you took it upon yourself na mag-step up and make big plays para makuha tong panalo na to. Ano yung naging mindset at approach mo coming into this game, lalo na't alam mong malaki yung nakataya?
Yun nga, bago yung start ng game, sabi ni Coach, wala nang bukas eh. So, wala, nakafocus lang talaga kami this game. Alam namin, yung team na sa kabila, desperado rin sila eh. So, mas desperado rin kami. Pag isang talo, wala na kami. So, at least may chance ulit kami. May game kami next. Malakas din kalaban namin. So, ganon din situation namin ngayon. Must win din kami para at least nandun kami sa 8 or 7 spot.